Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Subaru WRX and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the tail lights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail lights. So to prep them, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the tail light lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the tail light may have. So to start with the installation, we're going to start by installing the piece that goes on the outer section here. So start by applying Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the adhesive side of the tint. And you just want to place the film right on the edge here. And when it comes to the Taillight Tint installation, we're only covering the tail light where the color or the red reflector is located. So it's only going to cover all this section here and this section here. Since this outer section of the tail light is already blacked out, we're only covering the reflector side. So just place it back, keep it aligned, and you want to start off by aligning the film to this edge first. So align it here. Once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and grab your squeegee and start tacking it down to secure it in position. And just make sure you have a little bit of material to cover this section here. So secure this one first, and now once this one's secured, we can move on with this one. So same steps, align it to this edge. So align it there, lift it carefully and start applying Tack Solution. That way we secure the film to this section of the tail light. And now the next step is to stretch this section of the film to reach it up to this edge in order to cover this section of the tail light. So in order to stretch the film, lift it carefully, apply Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film and on the tail light. And we're only stretching it just by a little bit. Reason being is just so we can remove any fingers that are in the middle section here. So stretch it. Once you have it on the edge, hold it in position and apply Tack Solution and start tagging it down to secure it. And make sure everything stays aligned. And just work your way little by little on tagging down this whole section here. Okay, and now the last thing to do is just tacking down this piece here in order to seal it to this section. So to tack it down, just apply Tack Solution, a little bit of heat, and we're going to use our microfiber towel to just bring it back down to this small curve. So apply Tack Solution, apply a little bit of heat, help it tack down with your finger little by little. And we're just going to use our microfiber towel to secure it in position. And that's pretty much it. And now the last thing to do is just seal the edges all around the film. So to seal them, apply Tack Solution all over the section on the edge of the tint, and then apply heat. And then with our microfiber towel, we're just going to help seal the edges. Okay, so for this last piece here, all you need to do is just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film and just align it in order to cover the clear part of the reflector. Once you have it aligned, grab your Tack Solution and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we secure it in position, and then hold it with one hand, and then with the other one, just tack it down with your squeegee. Okay, and now we're done with the installation, and now we can move on to the last step, which is pulse heating the entire piece. Okay, so once you finish installing the whole piece for the Taillight tints for the Subaru WRX, the last thing to do would be to apply Tack Solution all around and applying heat. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and it tacks down better to the tail lights. So just apply Tack Solution all around the film, and we're going to apply heat all around the tint, and we're going to use a microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's still behind the film and just securing the film to the tail light. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the whole installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2022 Subaru WRX. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.